Hello and welcome back to another video, and today we will be looking at how to make your own Android app. So you want to go over to appsgeyser.com. Now you'll probably want to log in or tap create an app. Doesn't really matter what you do. I'll just tap create an app because you guys probably won't have a login yet. So you can make an app to earn, you can make an app to grow. Now, if you create an app to earn, you can do monetization. But I don't want to do that, so we are going to go with create an app to grow. And for here, I will just do a business website for say. Hey look, probably some Indian scammers. This app was last used 26 minutes ago, or 26 seconds ago in India. Now I'll just use my, why is my phone being so laggy? I will just use my website in here. Sure, it's HTTPS. Save. Now I already know that it's workable. So now I'll put next. And now you can name your app. So I'll just name it Weather Alex One Hub. You would want to do your custom icon. Why is my phone gonna torture me like this? But I'm just gonna leave it as the default icon, just because I want to get through this as quick as possible. Now I'll tap create. Now you can make an account or enter in your own account. Let's sign up if you already have an account. Now, the app should be under download, I believe. And then you can scan the QR code. Now, you're gonna want to download this file and upload it to any cloud storage place, like for instance Google Drive, because AppsGeyser will not host your app forever unless you pay for it. So I'm gonna download my app. Download. Download again. So now I can download it. Download. Now I'm on really slow internet, so this is going to take a while. Now it's just going to say download completed. And you'll probably have to enable some stuff so that you can actually open this. So if you tap open right now, it's just going to do this. So now you're going to want to hit settings. And allow from the and allow from the source. Then hit the back button. Tap install. And now it's done. So now I'll tap open. And here we are at the WeatherAlex 1 Hub. Pretty simple. Yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.